Hello and welcome to our video on how to take high quality photos. Many people think they'll improve their photography by buying a spiffy new camera, but the truth is in photography, technique is much more important than equipment. And taking good pictures is something anyone can do with any camera, if you practice enough and avoid some common mistakes. Here are some tips. Read your camera's manual and learn what each control, switch, button, and menu item does. At the very least, you should know how to turn on the flash, off, and auto, how to zoom in and out, and how to use the shutter button. Some cameras come with a printed beginner's manual, but also offer a larger manual for free on the manufacturer's website. Set the camera's resolution to take high quality photos at the highest resolution possible. Low resolution images are more difficult to digitally alter later on, and also means that if you can't crop as enthusiastically as you could with a higher resolution version and still end up with something printable. If you have a small memory card, you might need a bigger one. If you don't want to or can't afford to buy one, use the fine quality settings if your camera has one with a smaller resolution. Practice taking your pictures in different lighting and during different times of day. Keep your camera as still as possible and the object you're taking a picture of for best results. Okay, next I'd like to talk about Paint Shop Pro, Photoshop, or Paint. A program like this is going to be your best friend if you like to edit your photos on your PC. You can resize your photos, put borders on them, and all kinds of fun stuff with a program like this. When you are preparing an image for high quality printing or just want to save it as a quality resolution, you will need to ensure that it has proper DPI settings. DPI stands for dots per inch and offers a numerical measurement of an image's resolution. The higher dots per inch, the higher DPI, the higher your image's resolution is, and the larger the file size of the image. Most printed documents require images to be at least 300 DPI in order to print quality reproductions. The DPI of an image is its resolution, or its pixels per inch. You might need to adjust the DPI of a PDF file for higher or lower resolution, depending on your needs. To make the file size smaller, you can reduce the DPI. Before you make adjustments, however, you need to know the PDF's current DPI. Proper use of image compression can make a huge difference in the appearance and size of your website image files. Deflate is a lossless data compression method used for PNG images. It uses a combination of the LZ77 algorithm and Huffman coding. In order to being used for PNG images, it also is used in ZIP and gzip compression. Lempel Ziff-Welch compression is a lossless compression algorithm that performs a limited analysis of data. It's used in GIF and some TIFF file formats. It's worth mentioning the effect that compression can have in print design. For the most part, lossy image compression could be completely avoided in print design. Print graphics are much less forgiving of artifacting and low image quality than are on-screen graphics, where a JPEG saved at medium quality might look just fine on your monitor, but when printed out, even on an inkjet printer, the loss in quality is noticeable, as is the artifacting. For print design, using file types with lossless compression is preferable. TIFF, Tagged Image File Format, is often the preferred file format if compression is necessary, as it gives options for a number of lossless compression methods, including LZW mentioned above. Then again, depending on the image and where it will be printed, it is often better to use a file type with no compression, such as an original application file. If you have a photo printer, you have three good options for turning your digital photos into beautiful printed pictures. The first two ways involve using the Windows Vista and Windows 7 Picture Import Wizard, a powerful yet straightforward tool for transferring images from camera to computer. The Picture Import Wizard works seamlessly with most cameras to let you organize and print your favorite shots easily. The third way relies on a technology called PictBridge to print directly from your camera, bypassing your PC altogether. Okay, well that's it for now. Hope your photos turn out great.